Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that Celebrate, don't wanna say you like I don't buy it with the cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a bigger than a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. Then that's beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, yeah. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bend that ass over, Doja, bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the.
Welcome to another video. Today you're in the kitchen with me. No one else is helping. I was gonna do something, but some such person just woke up. Why you wake up? You heard me. Okay. Yeah. So I'm starting off the video. I need to do it. Yesterday I went out with my friends. I've got a little bit, and don't feel up to part with videoing and showing you what's going on, but I still want to check in and let you guys see what we're doing. I know last time I was doing stew chicken. I'm doing stew chicken again, but today I'm going to do a return caramel. But I ain't going to show you the whole process of what I was doing. I'm also doing salmon as well. But these are pesco salmon. They're sweet chili salmon. They're already cooked. They're ready to eat, but I like to tweak them a little bit. I've got something to show you. I need to open some packages. So I'm multitasking while this chicken is, frying up and stuff. I've got a package that I needed to open. This one, I'm not sure where it's from. So, let me see what's in here. Oh, I signed Terrain up for swimming. So that's what this stuff is about. I signed Terrain up for swimming. Unfortunately, he's not going to go to his first swimming class because, the Queen has died. And it's a national bank holiday, so Noah's open, they cancel everything. But it's a good thing because I get to prepare better. I only had a week to get all this stuff, which I think I'll be fine. I just need a towel. So I got him a pair of trunks, Adidas trunks, for him to swim in. He's got trunks, but I said, you know what? I want something black. He hasn't got a black one. And lights. And I also got him, I don't want him walking around the pool barefoot. Don't know what's going on in there. So I got him some Adidas slides to go with it. So, I'm kitting him out. And in the next package that came, one pack there. So, yeah. He wears glasses, as you know that he wears glasses. So I wanted a goggles that maybe can fit over the glasses. If not, it should still be fine. So I got these goggles. I got these goggles. It comes in a set of 2 from Amazon. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. So it's got good qualities, good reviews and everything on these ones, so hopefully it works. And where he wears glasses, I don't know what to do. He's never gone swimming before, so I don't know what the process is like. These little bits come into it, I don't know what these are for, but the instructions also come in it, so I'll look and see what these extra bits are for. And yeah, I like the colour. I think I'm more like this one. That's why I got it. But it came in a pack of 2 and I didn't have all the other colours. And they also come with a pouch to store them. And even if they're wet, it just drips through. And that's cool. I like that. And my final package that came. This is for me. It's my treats I'm excited about. Guys, as you can see, every time you see me in the videos, I'm in some sort of braids or twist or something. And I feel like the weather's changing, summer's finishing, and I want to go back to wearing wigs or weaves or something. So I ordered, didn't open the packet before, the package. It came in this silk bag. Love it. It's from Miss Hannah. Okay, this is what comes in the bag. 2 little, these are cute. Yeah, we'll find some use for those, don't worry. Also, it comes with a wig cap, and it also comes with these are the, you know, the extenders in the back. I don't know what they're called. As I said, I'm new to the wig game, so these come in there. I've never used it. I think I only own 3 wigs and I'm not all that good at it, but I'm trying because my hair needs a break and I need to get it back to par. So this is the wig. It's a bone straight hair. It came in 13 by 6. That's the 26 inch. And this is it. I'm so excited. Over from touring swimming. I am so excited. So yeah, and you're gonna be seeing me in this one. So that is all my packages, and now I can use my stuff. Just wanted to share that with you guys, you know, as I'm starting a new journey of showing what's going on with us and what we get up to. So yeah, that's a part of it, so you're gonna see it. I'll sort these out in a minute. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to cooking and I'll catch you with you later.
I don't know, it's glorious. God save the King. Yay! See guys, I know the national anthem. So I don't think I don't know it. Let me see what I'm always doing. Anyway guys, I'm all done in the mood today. She's having her face. Maybe she have a bad hair day. This is the best thing I can get. I wasn't doing a thing. All this time I got the video on.
So basically in this, I'll cut up some seasoning and put coconut cream. So I fry off the seasoning first, so you see the little oil settling up, and I season it with some all-purpose garlic powder, salt, black pepper, you know, them type of seasoning there. Add a little bit of water with the coconut, and then I add the cornmeal. So
Video what?
chocolate.
Video taco. Videographer?
Photographer.
Oh, video photographer. Guys,
Video
she's video.
photographer?
She's video
What is it?
photographer.
Photographer?
I don't do video.
She do.
You're a photographer. Just a photographer.
Yeah, I can do video, but I don't.
Yeah, guys, I'm always on the camera, so if it's a bit shaky somehow.
I have steady hands.
Okay, she has steady hands. So this is the process of fluffing it out like buttered cornmeal.
Guys, it's no salt in this one today.
Okay.
No salt, so it's safe for him to eat.
Okay. I trust her.
Yeah?
I trust you.
Yeah.
I always trust you, even when it's salty.
Even the salty.
Even when you salt the food. Not salty as in salty, you know what I mean? Yes, sir.
So guys, I'm back. So this is what I decided to do with the salmon. I just put it in the grill. As I said, it was already cooked, and I made some salad there. So yeah, as I said, it was already cooked, so I just put it under the grill. I made my mac and cheese. This one I'm not baking it. And I also have my turned cornmeal here and my brown stew chicken there, all ready. Welcome back. This is what my plate is looking like. I like to cook 2 proteins with whatever meal I'm doing. I mix it up every week. Today I didn't feel like rice, so yeah. So this is dinner. So now we're gonna go and enjoy. So I'll check in with you back. Hi guys, welcome to the video again. I can't remember when was the last time I checked in. I think it was when I was showing you guys this hair. I did some other stuff, but I'm not sure if it's like good or anything. So when we go through the clips, we'll see. But today's Saturday and we're going to go Sports Direct. I'm ready. I need a swimming cap for Taren because he is about to start swimming on Monday, which I'm quite excited for him about. He's not too excited, but he needs to do something. So yeah, we're gonna do swimming, and I also need to go
I'm sleeping real good at night. The queens in the front and the dogs in the back. They taking no flicks, but the
okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa.
the section we're looking for. I got him goggles ready. So the only option of swimming cap I can see is this one. Let me get this. Says senior cap. Toren's got a lot of hair, so I don't know if I should get senior. Oh, they're all seniors. Oh, there's one junior. Oh no, senior. So basically they're all seniors. Might have to just try him with it because only one, and he's got his lesson on Monday. It's a Slazenger brand. That's the only color. I'm not gonna get him a pink one. I'm sorry, but I'm not getting him a pink one. That's for girls.
No, son.
And yeah, this is Sports Direct. I rarely come here, but you know, for things like this, it's really good to come, I think. What?
A bicycle.
You want a bicycle? Where's the bicycle?
I don't know.
Sure, you're gonna ride the bicycle, Amara? Oh, no, you're not. sure. Anyway, I know she's not gonna ride it, so would like to see. Your dad's got 2 bicycles, by the way. So ride the one that he's not using. You're not even listening to me. What are you looking at? You want golf trousers? Yeah, it literally says golf up there.
I just need formal pants.
Need formal pants?
Actually, I need black jeans.
Black jeans?
Yeah.
I got my white jeans from in here, so let's... Well, the one in Hollywood. And I like the jeans actually because it's long and it's actually... It fits really well, to be honest. This is a shoe department. This girl, when she comes shopping with me, she wants everything. So this is what they sell. They got like loads of trainers and stuff. And like... And what shoe does Amara want now? What kind of shoes you want? Yeah. Huh? Shoes or trainers?
I don't need shoes.
Huh?
I don't need shoes.
So you basically mean trainers?
I don't need anything.
You don't need anything? Okay. Right, let's find the women department because I want to get out of here. Maya says she wants jeans. We found some Gold Digger super skinny jeans. These ones, they're just plain back. I had a pair like this before. What size is that one?
14.
Oh no, you're not 14.
I'm wearing 14. From Primark.
Oh, Primark is a different brand. This one is...
Right, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this.
Go check out because we didn't need anything else. We basically came in there for swimming cap. I don't see anything else I like in here. As I said, it's one of those stores, sportwear, but not my type of sports. They do have nice stuff for kids though. I like them. Yeah. Anyway, we'll catch in with you guys later. So guys, we are gonna go and find something for lunch. It's now like after 4, so because I had a break, a late breakfast, so yeah, we're having lunch late. And we're gonna go to Subway. I think there should be a Subway down at the bottom of this road, so we're just gonna walk it down there and see what we can find. Oh yeah, we're feeling for a bit of Subway.
Tell me what you see in me. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm doing curry chicken for dinner. I want to go all out. Maybe I might try a couple of these slices. I think I might get this. I'm gonna try this. I'm going on a date night tonight, but I feel for a drink, so I need a pre-drink. And I don't know what I feel for. Hi guys, I just realized that I didn't close off the vlog, so I'm here to finalize the vlog and to remind you, what we're going to remind them, Toren?
Like, share, and comment.
Yes, and what's the biggest thing?
Subscribe.
Yes, all of them is big, but subscribe as well. Yes, and thanks for supporting us. Until next time, bye.
Peace.
Peace.
Bye guys.